Jet 14-inch woodworking bandsaw allows you to quickly and easily handle cutting for a variety of your wood projects. In this example, we'll be demonstrating how to scroll saw a piece of lumber. Begin by tracing your desired cut pattern on your piece. Now, move the fence out of the way to give yourself room to work. Lower the blade guides down to just above the height of the workpiece. Turn the dust collection system and your bandsaw on. Begin by moving the wood piece through the saw using slow movements and light, consistent pressure. Take the piece out as needed and reposition into the saw. If small wood debris falls in between the table insert and the blade, stop the saw and remove the debris. Once removed, continue your work until your cuts are complete. Learn more about the Jet 14-inch woodworking bandsaw on our website. And don't forget that your tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.